This month we're covering environmental hazards and dock safety, and on today's warehouse safety tips, we're going to be talking about battery charging station safety. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. This topic seems to come up a lot in our rotation. Why? It's important to know, retain, and remind about. Battery charging stations can look quiet, and that's what makes them dangerous. You don't always hear the hazard coming. You don't always see it building. A battery charging area can create explosive gases, expose workers to acid, and turn a normal shift into an emergency in seconds. Fast, serious, and something that we've been trying to repeat as much as possible. It's preventable. When you're being proactive and trying to implement and maintain 5S methods, safety culture demands that you pay attention to quiet hazards. It teaches people to respect the areas that don't flash, bang, or scream for attention until something has already gone wrong. Battery charging stations deserve that respect every single day. And here are a few tips that are going to assist you with battery charging station safety. Number 1, keep the air moving. Lead acid batteries can release hydrogen gas during charging. That gas can build up if the area lacks proper ventilation. Check that vents, fans, and airflow paths stay open and working. Number 2, keep sparks and flames away. Charging areas should stay free of smoking, open flames, hot work, and spark-producing tools unless approved safety steps are in place. Hydrogen gas and ignition sources don't need a second invitation. Number 3, and this is something that you should do in every case, and this is no different, and that is wear the correct PPE. Workers who handle battery acid, cables, caps, and connectors should use the required face protection, eye protection, gloves, aprons, and other protective gear. Acid does not care how experienced you are. Number 4, you want to inspect connectors before use. Damaged cables, cracked plugs, loose connectors, and exposed conductors will create risk. Report problems before charging begins, and don't make it work, make it safe. And last but certainly not least, keep eye wash stations clear and ready. Emergency eye wash stations must be easy to reach. No pallets, no carts, no stored equipment in the way. You gotta test and maintain them in accordance with your facility's safety guidelines. As always, these are potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. Battery charging safety isn't about slowing the crew down. It's about making sure that everyone finishes their shift with their vision, their hands, their lungs, and their life intact. The best facilities don't wait for a burn, a blast, or a close call to take this area seriously. They build habits before the emergency. They train people before the panic, and they check the equipment before the failure. That's how safety becomes real. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week, stay safe, and here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.